Splashing water, splashing sound. Hippo, hippo, open wide. Show your teeth with a happy smile. Hippo, hippo, slow and sweet. Eating grass and fruits to eat. Hippo, hippo, clap your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp to the beat. Hippo walking by the riverside. Little fish are swimming by. Hippo yawns with a great big roar. Then he splashes more and more. Hippo family comes to play. Baby hippos jump all day. Mama hippo sings along. Join together in the hippo song.
What do you like to do all day?
Swim and play in the river, hooray!
What is your favorite food to chew?
Grasses, berries, apples too. Hippo, hippo, turn around. Shake your tail and touch the ground. Hippo, hippo, sing with cheer. All your friends are dancing here. When the sun begins to rise, Hippo wakes with sleepy eyes. When the moon is shining bright, Hippo splashes through the night. Hippo, hippo, big and strong. Everyone can sing along. Hippo, hippo, dance with me. Happy hippos by the sea. Hippo, hippo, stomp and play. Let's be happy every day. Hippo, hippo, sing along. Everybody clap to the hippo song.